Kimi K3 is absolutely incredible. It's literally the best front-end model out there right now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have it installed using Ollama inside of Claude Code. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come onto this platform over here. I'll have this along with all other relevant links in the description below. So once you come on here like this, you need to have Ollama itself installed, right? So you first of all copy this command over here, open your terminal or PowerShell, and simply paste it on here and click enter. Now, because I have already installed it, I'm not going to run it again. Another thing you need to install is Claude Code itself. So like I'd said before, I'd have this link in the description too as well. You come on here, copy this one specifically or any other one according to your specific OS, open up your PowerShell again, paste it in here and click enter. Now, I'm not going to do that like I said before. So the next thing you're going to do is you need to log in into Ollama. The reason for that is primarily when you head on to this model section and select Kimi K3 over here, we're going to be using the cloud version specifically. So you can see there's the cloud flag over here. Now, what this means is you're going to be using Kimi, which is hosted on Ollama's own infrastructure. Don't get me wrong though, Kimi K3 is a completely open weight model, which means you can have it installed on your own hardware, on infrastructure, provided you have the space. However, in this tutorial, we are considering the fact that you don't have the space or the storage to run it. So you need to install the one that is already installed on Ollama's infrastructure. So they give you access to that by using this command over here, right? So once you are logged in, you just select your specific OS that you want to use it inside. Sorry, I meant IDE. So since we want to use Claude Code, you can also have it used in OpenCode, Hermes, or OpenClaw, whichever you want to use. However, we are considering Claude Code. So you come on here, copy this command like this, and open back your terminal and simply paste it in here. Now, if this is your first time running this, you may have to authenticate. They are going to give you a link in here, which you're going to use to authenticate with the browser, so much so that your local device will be linked to your account on Ollama. That makes sense, right? Okay, so once you see this over here, you just simply click, yes, I trust this folder, and it will boot up Claude Code with Kimi K3 over here, like you're seeing, right? Now, once you see this, you're completely set up and you can use Kimi K3 inside of Ollama by proxying it through Claude Code. So this basically sums up the entire tutorial. Leave your comments below and of course, do stick around for the next one. See ya.